Okay, we're here at the beach. It looks like people are what are they doing? Walking to the boat. So we're gonna get absolutely soaked. Swimming, that's the one. We have to buy these ocean packs,
which I think was a scam.
I think we did get scammed on that, but you know, helping the local economy.
Yes,
that's how it works. The view is a bit cloudy today, but you know, nothing's stopping us. We'll make it do. We'll make it do, and we'll let you know how it goes. Let's go. It's cold.
We're heading in now.
So we have to swim to the. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh. We're swimming to the boat, which is quite far out. So let's see how that goes. How are you feeling?
Oh. Feeling good.
Yeah, me too.
Definitely awake now.
Yeah, that was really quite cold. It's okay, I'll get you a looky of the boat here. Everyone walking out to it. Oh. And we got given these bags, well, we had to pay for them, so, you know, definitely got scammed there.
Sorry, I need hurry up. Hold your hand. Give me your hand. Okay.
Thank you.
Send away.
Thank you.
One.
You are not good swimmer or not swimmer, please. You need a life jacket and all the time because your safety is our first priority. In every destination, ma'am and sir, we need to listen. Listen for your tour guide, okay?
One, two. Feels like don't be sitting, watch the sky turning heather grey. Black and white, watching money leading men astray. Falling in and out of light as the heavens spray.
So we've just touched down island number 1. Look at that. Wow. It's not too cold.
It's actually perfect.
Perfect. We're gonna go snorkeling somewhere. I don't know where yet, over there somewhere, so let's go do that. Let's go! So we were stupid enough to leave our stuff right there, and the ocean took it all away. We managed to salvage everything apart from a snorkel, so you know.
Oh well. Luckily, I found my what do you call it? The water stream set. Yeah.
Yeah.
Andrew's just looking for.
Andrew's lost his snorkel got.
Tropical island.
Is that not a pineapple?
No, that's not. The pineapple grows from the ground.
Okay. So, first island complete. We're heading back to the boat now. Head off to the next destination. Wow. Let's go.
Here we go.
Exhausted. Yeah. Got the Filipino beer. Can't say it's very nice, but beer is beer.
1, 2, 3, go.
I was the first to jump in. Water is very nice. It's really rocky, so you know. Better than here.
For the activity.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Surfing. Surfing.
Surfing.
The beach is most beautiful here. Okay.
Well, we're in some sort of cave here. We made it to stop 2. Wow, we're in the tiny, what even is this, a ravine?
I don't know, it seems like a little, I don't know, cul-de-sac of, I don't know, ocean.
Wow. I'm glad that we didn't get scammed with these.
Yeah.
This is an essential for this. We're just coming up to the beach now. Wow. Wow. That's insane. What do you think? What do you think? This is known as a secret beach or a hidden beach, right? I mean, not to tourists, it's not, but wow. Really, really nice. Hidden beach.
I could see why it's called Hidden Beach, because from the, when we were like coming up from the coast, you cannot see the
You have
beach
to
at all.
swim in to get
You
it right here,
literally
right?
have to Go across like very treacherous.
Yeah. We almost
so-
died.
Yeah.
But, you know, worth it. We're leaving spot 2 now.
Very sad.
Very sad. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. Can we get some final words from this place?
One
Final
word,
impressions?
just breathtaking.
Breathtaking. I like that, yeah. Let's snorkel back to the ship. And I think it's time for lunch.
Yes.
Let's go. What do you think of the food, guys? First impressions.
I'm gonna be selective. I'll be steering away from that.
How's the chicken looking?
Yeah, good.
What do we think? Does this contain salmonella? I would not be too shocked. But, I mean, lovely.
So, how are you enjoying it?
Well, we're now. Why is you laughing? We're now at. We're now at the 3rd location. Everyone's gone kayaking. We're staying in the boat. So don't get scammed again. Water looks great. I think I'm a bit sunburned, but you know the game's the game. Any thoughts? I'm gonna ask you for any thoughts.
Oh,
you know,
No thoughts, just vibes.
you have to rate the dedication. Wow.
The shark is vegetarian.
Vegetarian shark, yeah.
Sure it is. I'm sure it is. Like not swift eating it. You can go down into the right, but you can throw fried chicken in.
So that was the boat tour for today. We're going on another one on Monday. It's Saturday today, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm extremely burnt, so I'm just gonna go sleep and rest, and then see what happens tonight. Peace.